Hey everybody, this is Pam with Trust in Your Process, coming on with another video. And I am literally sitting in my car, having breakfast in a thunderstorm. I was out here dashing this morning, doing my DoorDash and my Uber Eats. And I just said, you know what? I'm just gonna stop and just be in the present moment. So I got me some hash browns and some hot cakes and some piping hot coffee. And I'm just sitting here enjoying the rain. Trying not to allow myself to get into a downward spiral. I'm noticing that I have to intentionally gear my emotions into the direction of positivity, because the norm, ooh, that air felt good. The norm, or the habit that has been formed, is to think negative and be afraid, and because of the uncertainty of what's next. But I realize that I am in control. And sometimes, depending on what your belief is, I'm not sure. Mine, I'm not sure. I'm growing my belief in something higher, and I am that something higher in terms of that connection, if that makes sense. I don't believe that there's something outside of me that's greater than me. I believe that we're all a part of something greater. And that means that we have the ability to create the reality that we want. And if you don't believe that, that is great, because you have the power to believe what you want. So what I'm noticing about me is I'm practicing the muscle of believing in myself without relying on someone else physical, and learning to rely on something that I can't see. And that is a process. But there's something innate deep inside that I know that I'm always going to be okay. And that maybe, just maybe, I'm creating the scenarios that make me anxious, or that puts me right on the edge, that I have to do as a way, or unconscious way, of feeling like I have purpose. Now, that just came to me, and there's just something about that that just makes sense. So what I'm trying to do now, is what I'm formulating now, is, if that is true for me, not necessarily for you, but for me, because we get to choose. You get to believe what you want to believe, so don't come for me. Then that means that I'm tired of all the struggle, and I want to create intentionally things that feel good to me. So that's what I'm doing, the exercise that I'm doing today. The reason why I stopped and said, you know what, I'm gonna be okay, and I'm not gonna be out here chasing this damn dollar in this thunderstorm. I'm just going to have to trust and surrender. And who knows, that might have been a message that needed to be heard by some of you today. And if that's the case, there you go. But until next time, remember who loves you. Just sharing my thoughts. Bye.